Ever wished your website looked snazzier, more intuitive, and just cooler? Today, we're diving into how to easily add icons in Adobe Dreamweaver, breathing life and functionality into your web design. First, let's talk about where you'll get those icons. There are tons of free and paid icon libraries out there like Font Awesome or Material Icons. For a start, download the icons you want to use, making sure they are in either PNG, SVG, or font file formats. Next, we'll organize those downloaded icons in Dreamweaver. Navigate to your site's Files panel in the right-hand corner. Create a new folder specifically for your icons. Now you can upload or drag and drop your icon files into this folder from your computer or from your downloaded libraries. It simplifies working with your icons when you go to insert them in the HTML. Now, open the HTML file where you want to insert an icon. Switch to Code View. This is where we'll directly add the icon code depending on the icon type. The method to do this may vary, but here's the general direction for image files that uses a less than ing tag. Start with the element within the opening tag. Enter the SCC attribute. Find the direct path for an icon that is stored in the icon folder. Put the file name in the path like so. You can also add dimensions like the width and height to easily change the size of the image. Finally, save your HTML, preview your page, and voila! The icon has been added. Experiment with positioning, size, and placement to perfect your website's look. So upgrade your site and easily add a visual pop today.